Hello everybody. These videos you see right here, these clips, they on another channel. Some of the people know about it, but don't too many people know that I've got 4 channels. Now the only way you can see these videos is go to the description, and I got 3 antenna videos in there, something you'd be interested in. So if you want to see me, you're going to have to go to in the description and click the link to go to this channel and subscribe, because this is pretty much going to be where I'm going to be putting the antenna videos at now. That the channel that you on right now, I got some antenna videos there that just you can drop another antenna video and it'll sink like a rock. It just can't compete with about 10 of them antenna videos in there. So that's the reason I'm putting them on another channel, by the way. Now over a month's time, there's a lot of people come to this other channel where I'm trying to send you, but I ain't getting too many subscribers, and I don't know if I don't even know if y'all realize that that is a different channel, because the icons is kind of look the same. But the truth is I got some more antenna videos to make, but I've been waiting to get some subscribers in there, because man, I mean I don't want to make a video for 100 people and then it's just dead, you know. Meaning it ain't, you know, the views just stop, because YouTube's done got tough. And even though I got a good reputation on this channel, I ain't got no reputation on the other channel. That's YouTube for you. And that's the reason I sort of slacked off of making antennas. It ain't I run out of ideas or got tired of it. It's just every time I put a video on this channel, it's like throwing a rock in a pond. It sinks all the way to the bottom. I mean, these other videos in here, they just overshadowed it. I'd like for you to check it out, but if you don't, I ain't gonna cry about it. But you know, they just ain't no need in me putting it on them big channels no more. I mean, I just make other videos. I reckon that's kind of what I've been doing anyway, just because of this reason. But anyway, the link is going to be in the description. Right now, there's 3 videos on that channel, and you've been looking right here at what's on there. But you can check it out. I hope we can kind of get back going again. If you like these kind of simple-minded videos, I'm a simple-minded person. But anyway, you can go to the description or the comments, and I'll have a link in there. And by the way, this is going to be the last video that I make trying to get people from this channel to the other channel. Alright, here we go. Well, let me tell you what this is. We made me and Tammy made a video of you know, an ad for Facebook, you know, like selling these antennas local. And boy, look here, boy, I can't even answer the phone no more. I got so much going on. I quit answering the phone. I think about quitting every day. But here's the commercial that she's gotten, and we'll see y'all on the next one. And on my next video on the other channel is gonna be the best indoor antenna that I've ever made. I'm sure of it. I've done thought all about it, you know. But I was just kind of waiting to get some subscribers on it. But it will be the best antenna, the best indoor antenna I ever made. Alright, now, here we go.
Do you want to be able to keep your cable and still watch TV 35? This antenna right here gets about 20 channels. This is your cable from your satellite. This is your coax from your antenna, and you put it right here. I got it on the ground out here. This is TV 35. You want to be able to watch the Sheriff debate, and it also gets 18 other channels besides these 2. Now I'm going to carry you in the house and show you how you can switch from your TV antenna to your satellite with your remote control. And here's how you switch back from your satellite to your antenna. It's the source button right here.
Hey, when we made that video, I didn't think about it till now. I didn't realize it. She didn't even say nothing. She just left. All right, thanks everybody. Y'all take it easy.